Hello students, today we are here to discuss about the upcoming semester plan. So what is that exactly? Just check out the course structure of the semester, where the structure is like this. You have to take the two subjects from the annexure A, which I am going to show you in the next slide. Apart from these two subjects, you have to carry out the project stage 2 or internship and project, that is project 7 you have to carry out. So for this you are going to have the credits like 3 and 3 for two subjects and 15 credits for your project as well as for internship, and total credit will be 21. Now to deal with the further or to discuss further, I would like to tell you something related to the subjects that you have to take, and before that we will discuss about the internship. You have to go for a 6 month of internship in the industry as per the notification from the DBATU. You have to attain 6 month internship. Once you complete the internship, you have to give us the certificate based upon which you are going to get the credits. Apart from this, you have to take two subjects which is on self-study mode using Swayam, NPTEL or any other source. But luckily, the upcoming NPTEL courses includes whichever subjects they have prescribed for our sorry syllabus. The students who are doing in the project in the industry will have a NPTEL examination online, or if it is not possible you can have the examination conducted by the university. Students doing the projects in the institute will have to appear for CA, mid semester exam and end semester exam. Now, which are those subjects? So these are the subjects that you have to choose. Either with the following this, the fundamentals of automotive systems, mechanics of fibers, explosion and safety, material characterization, dealing with material data collection, analysis and interpretation, non-conventional energy resources. So all the courses of duration 12 weeks. So this during the 12 weeks you have to submit that is assignments and exam which is going to be conducted by the NPTEL. Now out of these 6 subjects you have to choose any two. Next, enrollment period, that is the date of enrollment has already started. It is 9th November to 25th January 2021, and all the courses of 12 week it is going to start from 24th April, that is start of course is going to be from January 18th 21, and exam dates which is going to be on 24th April and 25th April. It has been already mentioned over here. Okay, so now it is my request that by today itself you please register. It is from the exam point of view. As per the DBATU, they have given this 12-week course you have to take with the minimum 2 subjects, and here these are the 2 subjects which are already available in the present curriculum, and you can have and you can get the certificate. Apart from this internship, regarding the internship I would like to tell you the formalities required for this is you have to take a letter from the institute, and wherever you want to have the internship you have to approach that particular industry and do the internship. So it is my humble request or better suggestion is that choose a industry which you are really interested, and you should have the passion in that industry, that is you want to have in that career in that field. You can approach first to those industry. Once they give the clearance then you go for internship. Maybe hope that you are going to continue as an employee in that industry. So these are the some of the points that I want to highlight today. Be sure that for these two subject you have to enroll as early as possible. After the date, if you are not submitted and all those things, no excuses will be carried out in this matter. Okay, all the best. Thank you.